Okay, so which expression has a value of negative 22? So this one's interesting because we're going to have to use our order of operations in 4 different problems, okay? 4 different problems here. So, okay, so we start with this one. Okay, all of my parentheses, there's no steps inside there. It is just a number with a negative inside of it, okay? So I have subtraction, addition, and division. So the first thing I do is division. 33 divided by negative 3. That's going to give me negative 11. So 8 minus negative 3 plus negative 11. Okay, so we have subtracting here and adding. So we go left to right. So 8 minus a negative 3 is the same as 8 plus a positive 3. Okay, that's over here, plus negative 11. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus, negative 11. Well, 11 plus negative 11 is actually just 0 because they're opposites. Okay, so that's not that one. Next one here, okay? We have adding, subtracting, and subtracting. So we're just going to go left to right here, okay? Negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5 minus a negative 8 minus 1. Okay, so I have negative 5 minus negative 8. I'm going to rewrite this one, though, because we don't ever use subtraction with our integers. We want to use the opposite. We want to do keep, change, change. So keep my negative 5, change it to addition, and do the opposite of negative 8, which is 8. So negative 5 plus 8 is going to be positive 3, but I have minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. Well, that's not the answer. Okay? All right, so next one we have multiplication and subtraction. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12 minus negative 15. Well, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So that's the same as negative 12 plus 15. So 12 negatives and 15 positives gives me a positive 3. Okay? Last one here. Negative 5 times, we have a multiplication and subtraction. So multiply first. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10 minus 12. Well, we don't want to subtract, so we're going to use keep, change, change. We're going to add the opposite of the negative of the 12 here, okay? So we're going to make it negative 10 plus negative 12. 10 negatives plus 12 negatives gives me 22 negatives. So the answer there, way back up here, the answer says which expression has a value of negative 22? It's D. And that is a type of problem where you actually do have to go through and solve all of them to be able to know which one is correct.